Hi guys, and welcome back. Today I just want to talk about Zomedica, the recent news surrounding Zomedica, my price target, as well as my trade. But before I continue on, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I also started a Patreon Discord page where I'm trying to find like-minded people like myself who is interested in making money in the stock markets. We do already have 40 members in there, and we would love for you guys to join us in trying to figure out ways to grow our portfolios together and try to find the next hottest stock. So if that is something you are interested in, you can check out my link down below. So let's get started. Zomedica closed at 210. It's down 6% today. We can see that just the other day, it went to a high of 272 and came all the way down, touched $2. So $2 is acting as a very strong support. Not too bad of a sell-off considering they just came out with some news and the overall market is down because a week ago it went to a low of 150. If we take a look back 6 months, it was trading under 25 cents. This was back in December. So it has definitely ran up a lot. It hit a high of 291. This was back in February. And then we consolidated for a while. Traded between 180 and 212 for a very long time before breaking out just a few days ago. So now we just need to pick up the momentum. We need to have another catalyst. Will definitely drive this price higher. If you don't know what Zomedica is, they are an animal health company focused on meeting the needs of clinical veterinarians in ways that promote both patient and practice health. Their mission is to advance the effectiveness and financial well-being of veterinarian practitioners by delivering professionally beneficial diagnostic products and services. The other day, Zomedica announced the first commercial sale of its Truforma platform. It was supposed to be released on March 30th, but the news came out earlier than expected. And the first purchaser of Truforma was Jason Berg, who is the founder and president of Guardian Veterinarian Specialist, a 2,900 square foot advanced emergency critical care and specialty hospital in New York. Dr. Berg commented that, as a veterinary internist and business owner, I have devoted myself to advancing the practice of veterinary internal medicine and delivering care with a difference, doing more, providing more, and caring more. I am excited to be the first veterinarian to purchase Truforma. I will be able to go above and beyond the current standard of care to provide cutting-edge and novel testing to pet owners and veterinarians in 7 surrounding counties across 2 states. Even though the stock is down, and it's usually buy the rumor, sell the news. And I think that is what's happening now. But we are still above $2, which is a good sign. And once we get more feedback from their Truforma products and veterinarians are buying Truforma, we can definitely see the stock go much higher. And if Truforma is successful, the stock can easily go to $10. So let's take a look at some other news they had announced in the previous months. So on January 25th, they signed an agreement with Miller Veterinary Supply for the distribution of Truforma. Miller is one of the veterinarian industry's fastest growing business, which was established in 1920. Under the terms of distribution agreement, Miller will be representing Zomedica in states ranging from Texas to Maine. They will be supported by several Zomedica sales employees in the field assigned to work with the Miller sales representatives to enhance the level of customer service provided relating to Truforma. Shareholder letter from the CEO. So they were able to raise a lot of money this past month. Will definitely enhance their balance sheets. The CEO stated, "We expect that this amount will be sufficient to fund operations at least through calendar year 2023. Our goal is to be cash flow positive at that point." So we don't have to worry about them running out of cash. And also, they were able to regain compliance with the NYSE. He also stated, previously the level bonus achievements for all bonus eligible employees other than the CEO was calculated on a quarterly basis based upon individual milestones. For 2021, these metrics has been changed. All 2021 bonuses will be calculated annually based upon the achievements of Zomedica revenue and cash flow projection achievements. This change was made to better align bonuses where shareholder interest and value creation for our shareholders. So that's a good sign, because now they are depending on how well their product is going to do. And if the product doesn't perform well, they're not going to receive a bonus. So they're going to do everything they can to make sales and make sure that they make a profit. Also, I wouldn't be too worried about the pullback, because he also stated, as our sales efforts begin, we intend to implement a control release phase wherein we slowly begin to sell the Truforma instruments in at least 3 estates in a limited geographic area in order to test our distribution system to be sure that it performs as we anticipate in these challenge times. We then expect to add 2 more estates later in 2021 as we continue to pursue a limited target market. So they are going to add 2 more estates later this year. If you are holding on to Zomedica, please don't panic sell. Just wait it out if you can. And if you did buy in at a higher price, you can always average down. Even buying a few shares here and there will definitely make a big difference when the Zomedica starts going up again. While I do have 3,000 shares at a price of $161, I did get in when it was around $1, and I did sell for a profit when it reached $2.40. This was back the last time they went to $2.40. I'm just going to hold on to my shares of 3,000 until it hits $3. I'm going to trim off at the $3 mark and just let the rest, the 1,500 shares, ride out to see this year. It's all about patience, guys. These stocks are very volatile, and some penny stocks, all we have to do is just wait for another news to come out. People didn't react to this Truforma news because it came out too early. I think there was going to be a sell-off anyway if it came out now or on the 30th. But right now, like I said, it's bouncing off the $2 support. There's still a possibility that it can go up again, but we just need a more momentum and more buying pressure. I'm going to show you the video that they have on their website about Truforma. But before I let you guys go, just want to say thank you so much for watching, and do consider joining the Patreon Discord page. We're just trying to find like-minded people to share ideas and find ways to grow our portfolios and just help each other become a better investor and trader.
Has partnered with Corvo Biotechnologies to develop Truforma, a breakthrough testing platform that aims to dramatically improve how we identify and manage disorders in dogs and cats. Based on high-performance bulk acoustic wave detection, Truforma provides accurate reference lab-grade results in approximately 18 minutes on average. Currently, many in-clinic platforms lack the sensitivity and speed needed for rapid diagnosis. As a result, many tests are still sent to a reference lab. The advanced biosensor platform Truforma will shift this paradigm, offering fully realized reference lab performance at the point of care. Using industry-standard microfluidic and electronic design, both the instrument and the disposable cartridges are easy to use. The cartridges provide incredible flexibility, performance control, and a broad menu of complex testing possibilities. The sample passes through the cartridge via a series of microfluidic channels and ultimately over the sensor, where the platform's incredible acoustic-based technology takes over. Truforma uses a completely different, new, and extremely sensitive method of detection based on bulk acoustic wave or BAW sensor technology. The BAW sensor can detect subtle changes in the mass of specific molecules associated with a particular test. When an analyte of interest passes through the fluidic channel, it binds to the target molecule, forming a slightly heavier particle that resonates at a different frequency. This change can then be converted to a known concentration. Because BAW operates at high frequencies, it has a very low limit of detection. allowing these changes to be measured down to a level of 10 picograms per milliliter. The platform initially targets specific assay candidates to detect thyroid and adrenal disorders in dogs and cats. New assays and expanding capabilities are anticipated. Because BA operates at high frequencies, it has a very low limit of detection, allowing these changes to be measured down to a level of 10 picograms per milliliter. The platform initially targets specific assay candidates to detect thyroid and adrenal disorders in dogs and cats. New assays and expanding capabilities are anticipated, including gastrointestinal, diabetes, renal, and infectious disease testing. All tests use a test reference analysis, eliminating background effects such as temperature, viscosity, and nonspecific binding. The mass-based detection is isolated to the surface, leading to breakthrough variance control. The semiconductor design means the platform is multiplex capable, which allows several tests to be run on the same sample. This is all done in an average of 18 minutes through a tabletop instrument, finally enabling clinicians to access the data they need in a time frame that enhances clinic efficiency. The platform is designed to interface with all modern vet hospital and clinic connectivity methods. Zomedica's new BA biosensor detection platform addresses the gaps that have previously prevented highly accurate in-clinic testing, providing reference lab quality performance at the point of care.
If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Webull if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4, so you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a Webull account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you. Thanks again.